Hey everyone, today we're going to connect Power BI Desktop to a SharePoint online list. This allows you to create dynamic reports that automatically refresh with changes made to your team's SharePoint data. First, access the Data Connection Wizard. This process starts by launching the Connection Wizard in Power BI Desktop. On the Home tab, locate and click Get Data, or Get More depending on your version. In the search bar, type Share to filter the connection options. Choose SharePoint Online Lists. This is for cloud-based lists, not on-premises sites. Click Connect. Next, enter the site URL and authenticate. Accuracy is key when entering the SharePoint URL. First, paste the URL, copy the exact web address from the SharePoint homepage, and paste it into the prompt field in Power BI. Typographical errors will block the connection. Next, authenticate. Power BI will prompt you to authenticate using your Microsoft 365 credentials, your work email, and password. This ensures secure data access. Next, select and load the list. After successful authentication, you select the specific list you want to use. First, select List. Power BI displays all available lists on the specified SharePoint site. Use the search function if many lists are present. Next, target and load. Click the desired list to select it. You can choose Load to import the data directly or Transform data to clean it first. Next, dynamic refresh. Once loaded, updates made in the SharePoint list are automatically reflected in your Power BI reports, keeping your visuals current. This provides a single source of truth. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.